6 foods that cleanse the liver naturally. On a daily basis, we all consume a large amount of processed foods. Also, we intake so many preservatives and additives daily. Then there is environmental pollution. All this makes it crucial giving our bodies a boost now and again to make sure they continue to work correctly and stay healthy. Our liver is one of the most important organs for removing poisons from our body. Without the liver, your body will not absorb nutrients from foods. To cleanse your liver and eliminate toxins from your body, you should make sure to include these 6 liver-friendly foods in your daily diet. 1. Garlic. Garlic has a long list of liver-friendly properties. It contains selenium, an antioxidant-boosting mineral that aids liver detoxification. Vitamin B6 is found in garlic and serves as an anti-inflammatory in the liver. Garlic contains arginine, an amino acid that aids in blood vessel relaxation. The liver's blood pressure is reduced as a result of this. 2. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is good for the liver since it contains a lot of vitamin C and glutathione. The liver can also manufacture glutathione on its own. Glutathione is essential for a number of bodily activities. Producing necessary proteins and molecules, tissue construction and repair, and strengthening the immune system are all part of the process. 3. Leafy green veggies. Leafy green veggies can aid in liver protection, as they neutralize chemicals, metals and pesticides from the environment and your foods. It would help if you took more spinach, chicory and arugula because they can help in increasing bile flow and eliminating waste products. It would be beneficial if you also took beets because they help clean and purify your blood. The generation of nutrients in your body is increased when your liver function is improved. Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli are examples of cruciferous vegetables that should be ingested. They are beneficial for the liver in producing enzymes that aid in removing toxins. 4. Avocados. Avocado is well known as a superfood. When you learn that it's also a liver superfood, you'll have even more reasons to eat it. Avocados contain glutathione, vitamin C, and vitamin E. These nutrients work as antioxidants, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals and protect liver cells from injury. The anti-inflammatory properties of vitamin E and K in this fruit help to protect your liver from harmful inflammation. They include good fats, which aid in lowering cholesterol levels. 5. Walnuts. It would be best to take more walnuts because they are rich in amino acid arginine. It is critical in the detoxification of ammonia by the liver. Walnuts also have a lot of omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione in them. They aid in the cleansing of the liver. They are high in antioxidants, which aid in the neutralization of damaging free radicals. They also include healthy unsaturated fats that help in 2 ways. Defending against the formation of fat in the liver. The formation of strong cell membranes around liver cells. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric's primary active ingredient is curcumin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects are well known. This molecule also protects the bile ducts. This promotes bile flow and hence acts as a liver cleanser. It also aids in the rejuvenation of your liver cells by limiting the conversion of alcohol and toxins into substances that could harm your liver. When you sprinkle turmeric over your dish, it adds a subtle flavor while also providing numerous health advantages. Please give it a thumbs up and share it to any family or friends who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.